And let's take a look at Inya. This is Eden Meitner. And maybe listen to her dialogue a little bit. You wanna hear her voice? We haven't heard her in a while, so let's listen.
Wow. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Hi. How's everyone doing today? Alive? It's taco time.
Taco time.
My name is Dino Inanis, and of course, 100% human. Been a good takodachi while I was gone.
Ah, yes, of course. Everyone has been a good takodachi. I think so.
Ta-da! Ina, boing boing.
どこ?
Right. Oh, too many crumbled houses around here. Hope they get fixed soon. Just like my life.
What? What? That's so sad.
Today's mission is to find inspiration for a new drawing.
Oh, can you draw me, Inya? Me and you together, drinking some tea? I don't know. Oh. But yeah, see, you can hear some more Ina. If you're missing Ina, then get the game, download the game, and get yourself an Ina skin, and then listen to all of Ina's voice lines. Well, we don't know when she will be back, so for the meantime, this might be the only way to hear her. Yeah, and this skin is time limited, obviously,